Please tell me the next airplane is an Air France 747-400 coming back from Charles de Gaulle Airport. Yeah, I'll be arriving in just a minute as soon as they click back up and takeoff is clear. Get a chance to photograph it? Good luck. Everyone knows what livery it is? It's a new Air France Classic livery that have existed since 2010. Air France currently operates 8 747s. The rest of them, there was like 10 of them, currently scrapped down. Look at the Air France video. Please, the 747-400 of Air France. It's hardtail. On time at 10, lands down at 1:05. It's the old livery, which 3 of these are retired. 8 of them are still in service. 2 of them are in cargo. Coming down from Charles de Gaulle Airport, this Air France 747-400. One day when we go to San Francisco, we have to photograph the airplane take off at 3:44.